So when your tube diameter change, you need to change this whole these tube holders. So you just need use these tools and to unscrew it a little bit, and then take it out and change to the new one, and then you fix it. Then it's done. So for the next, you could go to the touch screen and press the English one and choose the menu. You press choose reset. You first choose the manual mode, then you can work in the manual mode. To move the rotation plate, you can see when you press it, it will rotate for one station. Then you can take out the tube holder in the next station and change to the new one. And now it's showing you how to take out this tube holder. And this here is two screws. Yeah. 这边应该还有2个，对吧？
底下有吗？
底下有。
拿下来就可以换。
好，拿下来就可以换。Okay, then you can take out this one, and you can take out these 2 screws. Take out this tube holder and change to the smallest tube holder. After it's fixed well, and you can install on the machine. This 安装的时候有什么技巧吗？有什么技巧？只是把它对好那里就装好了。
然后这个比这里矮一点。
This part should be lower than this one, a little bit. Okay. And you can put the smallest tube here to have a test. And press reset again. And press tube feeding. Oh, this one you have to. This suction pipe you should to connect it, and then it's done. Oh, this one is not just to the hole, and then you need to adjust again. Adjust here. 然后就整个往左边调是吧？就调到那个里面就好。And
第一个那个。
and to move it so that the tube could be fed just into the hole. You see? And now it's and then you can fix this one.接下来就是调高度了啊。
对啊，对到这个还要可以看前后对不对，前后不对，前后往下调。
前后。
现在可以了，前后不要调，这样可以了。
Okay, now
如
here
果
is okay.
如果这个前后对不到呢，就是这里是个螺丝。
If the front and the back is not good, and you can adjust these 4 screws.
就是松掉，这个可以。
And to move backward and forward. Here is the 4 screws. And but now it's okay, so you do not need to change. And then you press back the tube feeding.
然后把那个反
And
放在这里，放进去了。
and put the tube inside.
这个手链。
And loosen this hand screw.
它以后高一点点啊。
To adjust the height.
然后这就打开了。
Press this button. You see here it goes to the bottom of the tube to press it down.
它就是调到这样子，是吧？现在这个会动了，这个管可以。
So now it's now moving.
啊，那就有到它。
It's not to the end of the tube, so you adjust this handle so that it will push down to the very bottom of the tube.
啊，这个拉不上来就可以了。
So now it's okay. And you fix this hand screw. And move this feeding position up. And you will try the feeding again. Okay, then it's done. Here is the one to block the tube so that it will feed well, because some of the tube is too small to suck.
这个先
And now you
先放
adjust
长一
it
点，好，先放粗一点。
to the first to make it forward more, and then you will see the tube. Turn to menu, and then you will manually 没事，我知道这个我跟他说了没用。So here you see, you will adjust this one based on the tube you have.
这样子大概打一下就可以了。这样就可以了。
And in this way, it will make sure if the suction is not sucking the tube well, and it will still goes into the tube holder. Okay. 好了吗？ And you fix it. 看。这边应该没关系吧？
啊，这也没关系，我在打。
To change the characters, you need to first unplug these two cooling pipe on the mold, and then you unscrew, make them loose. Make these two screws loose. Here and there are two screws. Make them loose. And use the hammer and to make it loose, and then you can come out. Make it wider so it can come out, and then you have the characters here. Then you can change it. Unscrew these two screws. And then make them out. Make the characters out. You can use the tools to make them out. To change to the characters you need. Here you will adjust the height. So here is the spool. Here, and then you adjust the height. So it's the diameter of the tube, and you just adjust it so that it will fit the tube well. And here you also need to adjust the height. And here is the height of the tube. So now become the width. You just adjust according to the tube height. And 后面呢？
我不管，后面就是你这个你的线条啊，还有这个地方，可以
And this one?
打下来嘛，这个就不管了嘛，是吧？就可以。
This one you need also
也比较高一点嘛，哈。
to adjust it a little bit higher than the tube.
对。
OK， 好的。那这其实高一点也是 OK 的，是吧？
可以，就是一般比它这条管再高一半就可以了。
So usually the height will be higher than this tube, and about the half height, higher half height of this tube. Okay. 然后呢？ Press the reset and feed the tube, and press the tube, and you reset. And this one is the tube blowing. This one. So now you will adjust the height of tube, the air blowing. Yeah, and to blow inside, because just now it's too high. And after you adjust it, you just fix it and put it back. And this one you reset again. And this one, this tool, you open this tool function, and you will adjust the the color marking.
这个气缸嘛。
You see now it's adjusting the height of the cylinder. You turn, and then adjust it so that it will press the tube.
这地方会高一点，这样一点。
So now it's done. You fix the handle, and I will show you how to adjust the color mark sensor. You see here.
这车底。
You also need to adjust the color mark position because now it's too high, and you adjust it so that it will see the color mark. The beam will on the color mark, and then you fix this sensor. And now I will show you how to adjust it. And if it's too far, then you adjust it to 12.
不要闪的啦，不要闪的。
不要闪。
这不要这样子吧。
The beam must be just very concentrate on the color mark, and not to be very distract. And you adjust the distance, and now you will set to press on. When the beam is on the color mark, you press on. Press 多少秒？按多少秒
？3秒。
Press 3 seconds, and when it's
然后这样撞到空白地方。
And you turn the tube and to the where it doesn't have the color mark. Press off. 3 seconds, and then it's done. And you can turn the tube to see if it sees the color mark. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now it's settled. 可以了。说中文。好，盖子拿掉。这个简单，这个盖子不拿掉。Now it's showing you how to change the filling system. So you first take out the hopper. 小心一点。So please be careful. Better two people to take it out.
你要气管拔掉啊。
And then now you take out the air pipe. The 2 air pipe and. 对吧？没带那个材料。Dismount this pipe. And dismount this one. You can take this one out. This one also you lose it. And open this. 手机照一下。手机。来照手机。我手机在这里，拿过来。把我手机拿过来给我。照一下可以。哦。Okay. Now showing you the inside. 这个螺丝啊。And this one is there has a screw here. Screw. And you lose this screw.
Yeah.
Okay. And then. 可以了。哦。And then you take this one out. And take this one out. And you need to dismount this rod. And take out this one. 这个是另外一套。
这个另外，这个是短，这个不对的，这个不管它，我们只要这一块就好。
哦。那给客户的是长什么样子的？
长的，只有一个，
只有一个啊。那我只是说，那就是说我们会给客户配这个，对不对？
就配这个。
哦 ，OK。So you will.
这种杆只有一个。
Oh, you will only have this one rod, and you use this one. It's new. 那我那个乌拉圭的，它有配这个吗？也是一个杆吗？
对。
它是等于说也是把这个拆下来，对吧 ？OK。
把这个活塞拆下来装上来。
好的，好的。And you screw it tight, and you put inside this new, and you put inside, and after you put inside, you will come here to fasten the screw. Screw this one tight. Okay. And then you.
你要是把它按到底了。
You will press it down, and now it's to the very down. Okay. Okay. 把这个按到底，然后锁这个。Okay, then you screw this one. And put this O-ring here, and put back. And use a loop to close it again. And then you. Okay, you will have the air pipe back. Okay. And here you connect the pipe. 要把这个塑料管接上。
对，接。
还是用卡箍把它卡死。And use the loop to lock it. And you put the O-ring again, and have the hopper back. Slowly. And you lock it. Then it's finished. Or also have a cover. Okay. Need also to change the filling nozzle. It's very easy. Just screw it out, and then change to this smaller filling nozzle. 其实不换也行是吧？
换一下好一点吧，因为它的除锈太快了。
This one it will fill the products more finely, and then you will have a better filling accuracy. Okay, and Now it's adjusting the height of the tube. 然后，then you will adjust the height of the tube for the filling nozzle. 没事，这个我就懂了。The procedure is the same. You just turn the tube, and you press fill down, and then you come here to adjust the filling nozzle height. Unscrew this one same, and then adjust the height of the filling nozzle to the correct position, and you fix it and press the filling up. And try sometimes. Okay. And then you reset again so that the rotate plate will turn. And now you will adjust the height of the sealing mold. And you will unscrew this too. It's the same, just bigger. And adjust this one, and you will see the sealing mold is moving, and you will adjust according to the height you need. And when it's set, you just lock these two. Okay. And now you will go back to the screen and return and setting. And here you will set the welding time. Because your tube is very small, you will put a smaller welding time to have a try and return to the menu screen. And you press ultrasonic. 这个是
超声器跟启动。然后再按超声器。
And then you will
点一下就好了。
start it. So this one, so you press the cylinder stop, it will press the tube, and then you will press the ultrasonic start. The ultrasonic will start and sealing the tube. And then you press it back. It will loose the tube and rotate. Now it comes to the cutting position. And the cutting position, you also need to adjust the height of according to the height of the tube. It's also the same thing. You loosen. 这个稍后再调吧，先调整。
这个你要调高的是有底啊。
Okay. You see this one, you need to adjust it, and then you can adjust it to lower position. 好像拍不到，算了吧，没关系。
拍到吗？你到这边来拍也可以。
没事，拍得到，拍得到。You see, here you are adjusting the height of the knife, cutting knife. And then you will lock it. Okay. And then you will adjust this one back a little bit. Just now it's because when you adjust, okay. Because when you adjust this one, I'm not sure if it will touch this one, so we just adjust it higher first and then adjust it according to the tube. So when the tube comes here, it will touch this one and then come out. 我直接在这里拍啊。它要按什么？
按切刀啊。
And so you will press trimming cylinder return, and then now it's trimming the tube, and then you rotate it, and outputting, and it will output the tube. And now you will see if the sealing is good enough, and to see how you will need to adjust it. Okay, you test it. If it's sealing well, then you do not need to change the sealing time. If it's not, you will need to change the welding time. to test the tube.
这是亮的一个针嘛，已经正常是要两个针嘛，
Oh.
是吧？
So
没看到嘛？
now it cannot see the tube. You need to adjust the sensor to see the tube.
别嘛，
You just move it forward to see the tube. 还要再上一点吗？
不用。
Now it sees the tube. 他就说，如果看到了，OK. You see, if you take it out, then there will do not have the red light. When you put it back, it will see the tube. Yes, right. Okay, this is correct. And this one, this tool, you open this tool function and you will adjust the color marking.
这个气缸嘛。
And you see now it's adjusting the height of the cylinder. You turn and then adjust it so that it will press the tube.
这地方会高一点。
So now it's done. You fix the handle, and I will show you how to adjust the color mark sensor. You see here. You also need to adjust the color mark position because now it's too high, and you adjust it so that it will see the color mark. The beam will on the color mark, and then you fix this sensor. And now I will show you how to adjust it. And if it's too far, then you adjust it to 12.
不要闪的，不要闪的，
不要闪。
这不要这样子吧？
The beam must be just very concentrate on the color mark. And not to be very distract. And you adjust the distance. And now you will set to press on. When the beam is on the color mark, you press on. Press 多少秒？按多少秒
？3秒。
Press 3 seconds. And when it's
然后撞到空白地方。
And you turn the tube and to the where it doesn't have the color mark, press off 3 seconds, and then it's done. And you can turn the tube to see if it sees the color mark. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now it's settled. 可以了。好。
连小水瓶。好。
阿光，你要解说吗？
不用，就拆就是6个螺丝而已啊！你就说就拆就是6个螺丝就可以了。
好，你这句话很关键，录进去了。
这里有2条气管啊。这个2条气管也是拆下来，到时候接上去，蓝对蓝，黑对黑。
等一下。
蓝是对蓝色嘛，黑是对黑色嘛。
好。OK。就行了，把6个螺丝拆掉，然后
对就可以了。
装的时候也按你这个来装就行。
对，就6个螺丝装上来就行。
So first, basically you need to connect the electricity, and also, meanwhile, you need to connect the air from this port. And then after you connect the electricity and the air, then you can operate the machine and let the machine run to open it here, and then machine will be run, and you do some adjustment for different kind of tubes. Okay.